Guys, welcome back to the shop. So we left off in the last video working on the Pontiac, basically redoing the entire fuel system, putting a fuel tank in it, new aluminum fuel tank that I made, racing buckets, MSD box, and harnesses in this thing, prepping to go down to the open burnout competition at Cleetus and Cars this weekend. I had everything running. We were pretty much ready to go out and test this thing out, and I quit getting fuel pressure. Well, I figured it was the pump, and that's exactly what it was. Check this out. Brand new pump, 5 minutes of runtime on it, and it snapped the arm right over the spring here on the lever. Busted it all the way through. 5 minutes of runtime on that, and she is junk. So I'm going to see if I can get my money back for this. I believe this is from Assault, which I don't suggest those, I guess, if they're going to break that easy. But I went down to the engine shop this morning, got myself a brand new Holley mechanical fuel pump, installed that, changed some fittings around on it, and we are good to go. This thing fired up no problem after it pumped fuel up, and we're running about 6 pounds of pressure on the head. So fuel system should be good. We are ready to go testing. It kind of appears that I'm having an issue with my timing light. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm advancing it on the gun itself and the mark's not moving on the balancer. I don't know if that's something with the MSD. I mean, the distributor's locked out. It should be moving as I move the degrees on the gun, but it's not doing anything. So I'm going to assume my gun is bad. We're going to take this out to a friend's house by Mikey's place, and we're going to use his timing light, set it up. I'm going to bring the computer with so we can set those curves and the timing, and we're going to try it out there. So all right, guys, so we're over at Mike's right now, and I just got done setting the timing on this thing. There was some issue with my timing light where I couldn't actually adjust the timing mark on the damper. Well, I got it done now. We're set at 33 degrees, max timing, locked out at 33. I'm pulling everything but 10 degrees up to 900 RPMs, and then we're ramping from 10 degrees up to the full 33 degrees at 3,000 RPMs, and then we're pulling about a degree and a half per pound of boost up to 10, because that's about what it makes. And basically at that point, it just cuts the timing right down after 10 pounds of boost on the graph. So I never really programmed one of them before. I hope that works out all right. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up here shortly. We're going to go out, test the rev limiter out first, and try to spin a few donuts, make sure we don't have any fuel slosh. That's one other thing. We got to check the float level yet too. Going to do that quick, and then we're going to go out and test this thing out. So that's the vent going into the car.
You gonna ever put it back in or no?
No.
Well, what if I break it on accident?
Just take that out.
I don't want it to come out.
We gotta cut the cable?
No, it should come out. You just gotta force it. There you go.
Someone somewhere probably needs that piece of plastic.
Hold on. Budweiser?
Oh, there's my spark plug wrench. Is that a 9/16?
Yeah, Blue Point.
All right, well, I was looking for that. I bought a new one already.
Not done yet.
You better pull this side off over here too. Here you go. Sharpie marker.
Yeah.
Still works. Still works.
That's always a plus.
It works. I got it at $7 grand.
Wait, it seemed like it hit it right away. What's it blowing out of?
Is that just residual stuff off the manifolds or what?
I think so.
Oh, I thought the tranny was puking or something. That's why I pulled in your grab. Got a little blow-by, fellers. I don't know what the deal is there. here this morning to head out to Indy. Thing ran really good. We went out, did a bunch of series of donuts and whipped it around and brought it up to 7 grand and bounced it off the rev limiter. Went around and around and around a bunch of times, longer than we did down at the track last year before it died out. And everything seemed good. So obviously the fuel system was definitely the cause of it dying out last year and not running. I played with the timing quite a bit, and for some reason we got some blow-by on the engine. I don't know what happened over winter. It wasn't like that last year. And just all of a sudden now it has blow-by. It was basically to the point where we had to put a couple of breather tubes on the valve covers and big breathers on the top because it was pushing oil out of the valve covers in the front seal. So something's not happy, and it seems like it's on the right side of the engine. It's puffing right now, actually. Not as bad as it was when we first were running it the other day, but it's pretty bad enough. So hopefully that seals up a little bit. Maybe we got a broken ring or something over there. Anyway, it seems to run pretty good. We didn't have any dying out problems, anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do one more power stand here, hold it up in the R's for a little while, and just verify that everything's good. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and change out to the burnout tires, load this thing on the trailer, and we're out of here.